William Price is a coal mining character set in South Wales in the late 19th century. For most men working the pits, there was little time away from work, but there were hours, sometimes a day, when the pit released its hold. I asked William what those hours meant to him.
Aye, there's a rest day most weeks when the pit shuts, or when I'm not called. Sunday for chapel mostly, and a half-day Saturday if the work allows it. Those hours are different. They're the air in a man's lungs after he's been breathing coal dust for 6 days. I rise before dawn most mornings, same as any working day. But on a Sunday there's no lamp to carry, no descent into the dark. Catherine, the wife, she has the children readied for chapel by the time I've washed. We walk together, the whole family, and there's something about that. The sound of hymns, the gathering of neighbours who've all known the same fare underground. It binds you differently than wages do. When old Morgan lost his boy in a fall at Bedwellty, the chapel knew before his own family was told proper. We stood with them. That's what those hours mean. You're not alone in it. At home after chapel there's a simple meal. I mend tools, help the younger ones with their letters if they'll sit still. Anne and Griffith are sharp learners, thank God. Sometimes I read a bit of scripture by the fire. When my mother, Mary, was still living, she'd sit with me, and we'd speak of the forest of Dean where she came from. Those moments, they're worth more than any wages, though a man doesn't often say such things aloud. The time away the pit isn't rest in the way you might think. It's tending to what keeps a man whole.
Time away from the pit didn't mean escape. It meant repair of body, of spirit, of the bonds that made the work bearable. These hours didn't free William from the pit. They helped him return to it whole.